Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to schedule Instagram post using our mobile application, which is Instagram app itself. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started with the process. So what we can do is we can go to our Instagram application. For that, tap on it. And once you tap on Instagram, the space opens up on your screen. Now what we can do is we can start by creating a post. So you can look out for the plus option in the bottom, in the middle navigation bar of your Instagram and tap on it. Or you may head over to your profile. And once you head over to your profile, you can look out for the plus option at the top. And from there, select the option of post. And remember, if you want to schedule an Instagram post, you need to have a professional account. So you can switch up to professional if it is not professional yet. So for now, right now, I have selected this post picture right here that I'm just gonna go ahead and post it. Once you select the desired image or the video or anything that you would like to post, you can edit it out by adding up music, text, overlay, filter, edit, etc. So I'm gonna leave it as it is and let's head over with the process of scheduling the post. So tap on next for that, and once you tap on next, it should start processing. You can wait for a bit, and there we go. Now here you can look out for different options and scroll down and look out for the option of more options or advanced settings and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will be finding option directly called schedule this post under the sharing preferences. So just go over and find that option right there and turn that option on. And once you turn it on, you can start scheduling your post. You can select on which date or day you would like to post it. I'm just going to select Sunday, November to 9 p.m. You can select up your time by using the scroll right here and tap on done once you're okay with it. And there we go. Now the time has been set. What you can do is head back, and all you gotta do is basically tap on this option called schedule, confirm it up. And there we go. Now the post is on schedule. You can head to your profile and you will be finding the scheduled post once the post has been posted on the dedicated time. And that's it. So you may follow up this process in order to schedule Instagram posts using your mobile app of Instagram. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.